Okay. Hari Om.
Hari Om.
So you're all ready for the story? Yes. Okay, so like Radha auntie said, we are going to see a story about Lord Vishnu today. Okay, he came down to earth in the form of a fish. Okay, in the form of a fish. So, since he came down in the form of a fish, he is called Matsya Narayana. Okay, can you all repeat with me? You don't have to unmute, you just can repeat with me. Okay, say Matsya Narayana.
Matsya Narayana.
Yes. So you're all ready for the story? Okay. So long back, long back, there lived a king. Okay. The name of the king was Satyavrata. Okay. Satyavrata was a very good king. Okay. He was so good and he loved Lord Vishnu very much. Okay. Every day, morning and evening, he used to pray to Lord Vishnu. You know how he used to pray? He used to go to a nearby river, okay, and he used to take some water in his hand and he used to say Om Namo Narayanaya, and he used to pour the water back into the river. So are you all ready to do it? Shall we all do it together? Yes. So say, take water from the river and say Om Namo Narayanaya and pour the water into the river. Again take
Narayanaya
and pour the water back. Now again you take one more handful of water and say Om Namo Narayanaya and you pour the water into the river. And again
All of us now together. Om
Namo Narayanaya. Again take some more water from the river and say all of you can say together, okay? Om Namo Narayanaya and you pour it back to the river. You know, fourth time when he took water in his hand, you know what happened? There was something in his hand. Something was swimming in his hand. Gulu, 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 gulu. King was like surprised. What is there in my hand? And he looked down and you know what was there? You know what was there? When he took his hand out, Mahalakshmi Akka. Yes, what was there? Yes, it was a fish. Okay, it was a small fish in his hand. Okay, so the king was like, little fish, where did you come from? And he was almost about to drop it into the river again because he was so kind, no, he didn't want to harm the fish. So he wanted to let the fish go. So he was about to drop it and you know what happened? The fish started speaking. Have you ever seen a fish speak? This fish started speaking to the king. He said, "Oh king, please don't let me go. There are big fishes in the river and they will swallow me. I am so little. I'm such a tiny fish. All the big fishes will swallow me." And the king thought, okay, the king was a nice king, no? So he didn't want to harm the fish. So he said, okay, I will take you along with me to the palace, okay? I will save you. Nothing will happen to you. And the king, you know what he did? He took a glass. Mahalakshmi Akka, do you have a glass? Yes. And he put the fish inside the glass, okay? And he kept it in his palace, okay? And it was full of, the glass is filled with water, okay? And he kept it in his palace. And you know, after that, he went to sleep. Next day morning, he woke up and he wanted to feed the fish, right? You have to give food to the fish, right? So he went to the fish to see how the fish is. You know what happened? It was like a magic boom. You know what happened? Mahalakshmi Akka, can you show the fish now? The fish had grown up. It has become big. The fish was not able to swim inside the small bowl which the king had put it. Okay, so fish was like, King, please save me. I want a bigger bowl. I want a bigger vessel. I cannot swim in this vessel. Then the king thought, okay, don't worry. I will get a bigger vessel for you. Then the king took a bigger vessel. Okay. King took a bigger vessel and put the fish inside it. Okay. The vessel was filled with water and the king put the fish inside it. Then again he went to his work. Okay, morning he went to his work. He finished all his work and night he came back. He came back to see the fish. You know again what had happened? The fish had again grown up. Wow, can you see the fish now? The fish had again grown up. It was not able to swim inside that vessel also. The king was feeling sorry. He said, oh, I have to save this fish. This fish cannot swim in this vessel also. Okay, I will take a bigger vessel for you. Mahalakshmi Akka, do you have a bigger vessel? Yeah, and the king put the fish inside a much more bigger vessel. Okay, and he went to sleep. And can you guess what happened in the morning? Can anybody of you guess? Yeah, the fish again grew bigger. Now it is so big. It was not able to swim in that big vessel also. Okay, so the king started thinking, what? I don't have a bigger vessel here. What to do? Now the king built a big pond. Okay, and he put the fish inside the big pond just like this. See? Mahalakshmi Akka is showing the king put the big fish inside the big pond. And again after some time he came back and what happened? What happened? Wow, the fish again grew up. Now now kids, do you have a big vessel for this fish? Do you have? Can you go and search?
Show us the size of the fish. Like taking it out and show us.
Yeah, can you go and search? Kids, can you go and search?
Search if you have a big dabba. Do you have a big vessel for this?
Yes, Shakti has something. Yes, can you all go and search if you have a big vessel for this big fish?
Sana has something.
Yes. Who else have? Just go and search.
Search.
Go and search. Yes, somebody has a big.
Laya only has to search, not mummy. Oh.
Sana has a big dabba. Wow. Yes. Wow. All of you have big vessels. Wow.
Has big vessel.
Wow. So good.
Look at Laya also brought a big vessel.
Yes. That's such a big vessel. I think the fish will go inside the vessel.
Mahalakshmi, did the fish stop growing?
No.
Ranjani, please
Wow.
tell me.
Wow. You know what happened? Again it became next time when the king came and saw the fish, again the fish was not able to swim in the big vessel. It had become so big. How big was it? Can you all show? Was it this small? Was it this big? It was so big.
Fish.
Wow. See the fish with Mahalakshmi Akka. It's so big.
Wow.
Wow.
Now search. Do you have something this big? Not vessel.
Wow.
Don't bring it with water. See if you have something this big. Oh,
Wow.
Shakti has a swimming pool.
What is that, Shakti? Is it a swimming pool? Wow. Fish can easily swim with
Cheyenne has the
bucket.
Bikini has a big anda.
Anda, yeah. So you know what happened? Now all of you come back.
Sahasra, yours is a big vessel, but it has four.
Wow. Nishta has a big tub. Big pink tub. Wow.
Tub.
Are all of you back?
Yes, everybody is back.
Okay, Sahasra is not there. Anyways, okay, so know what happened? Then king thought, I think this fish is not an ordinary fish, right? I am giving so little food for this fish, and this fish is growing and growing and growing and growing, and it's not stopping to grow. Huh? Then the king thought, I think this fish should be someone special, right? So the king asked the fish, I know you are someone very special. You know who's that fish? Can you all guess? Who's that fish?
Who's that fish?
Yes, it is Lord Vishnu himself. He came in the form of a fish. Okay, he came in the form of a fish to see. Okay, I think Shakti has not muted. Okay. So Lord Vishnu himself came in the form of a fish to King Satyavrata. Okay. So Lord Vishnu said, Satyavrata, you know why I came? Because you are so good. That's why I came to see you. And you know, in another 1 week, a big flood is going to come. You know what is a flood? Flood means lot of water will be there everywhere. The house will be full of water. The school will be filled with water. The palace will be filled with water everywhere. The roads, everywhere water will be there. And not this much water. This much water. Lot of water will be there everywhere. Okay? And everybody will drown inside water. Okay? Nobody will be able to leave. Okay? Everybody will go inside water and die. Okay? That is flood. Okay? So, next week, the big flood is going to come and I want to save you. That's why I came. And Lord Vishnu said, you do one thing, you collect all the books, all the important books, okay? And you call all the important people, okay? And all animals and birds and seeds and flowers and everything. You collect everybody and you be ready, okay? Next week, I will come with a big ship, okay? It's a big ship, okay? And you all can get inside the ship and we can go. I will save all of you from the flood, okay? So Satyavrata said, okay, we will do that. Thank you. Satyavrata was so happy because he likes Vishnu a lot, right? Satyavrata was so happy, okay? And you know what happened? Satyavrata did whatever Lord Vishnu told him. He collected all the important books. He called everybody important and he called all the animals and birds and everybody and he was ready. Okay? And the next day, after 7 days, Lord Vishnu came with a big ship. Okay? And they all got into the ship. Do you want to see the picture of the ship? Do you want to see? Yes. Yes. Can you see? Can you see the fish? Can you see Lord Vishnu? Yes. And can you see the gada in his hand? Can you show the gada in Lord Vishnu's hand? You can show it to your parents. Okay? Yeah. And can you see a demon who is upside down inside the river, inside the sea? Yes. You know what is his name? His name is Hayagriva. He was a demon. You know what did he do? He stole all the important books and he went inside, hid inside the sea. Okay? If we don't have any books, can we learn?
Ranjani, you're breaking a lot. We're not able to hear.
Okay.
Okay. I'm just going to repeat what Ranjani auntie just said. So, Matsya Narayana came in the form of a fish and he brought a big boat in which he took all the people and all the things that Ranjani auntie said. Everything went inside and he also had a gada. Can you see the gada? And there was a demon and that demon tried to steal all the input books and take it to the bottom of the sea. And that demon, he nicely kept his gada like that. And he took away all the books from that demon and he saved thumbs up.
Yes.